Hello, I'm Johnette Cruz and welcome to It's Your Business. Today we're speaking with Ben Melvin from Dial 1 Hour, and most of us know Dial 1 Hour for their services in heating and cooling systems as well as installations, but they also help with crawl spaces and or attics, which most of us have who are homeowners. But I think the problem with that is, out of sight, out of mind. We don't really tend to pay attention to those areas of our home.
That is true, and the crawl space and attic can lead to some of the problems that we have in the home as far as discomfort, drafts, odd odors in the home, excessive dust. They could be a problem that's coming from a crawl or an attic, and we just have to do a really close inspection of those to check and see what these problems are.
Okay, so for renovations for either an attic or a crawl space, what do you suggest?
Well, it starts off with a good home energy audit with a home duct performance test. We'll also bring to light some of the conditions that exist in the crawl space and attic. And that's where we need to start, was with the testing. As far as the crawl spaces, some of the things that can be done there or do what's called a clean crawl, where we actually go in, we clean the crawl space out, get all the unnecessary debris out of the crawl that's been left over the years, level the crawl space out, install a sump pump to get rid of the excess water that builds there, and then actually encapsulate that with a vinyl barrier and insulate around the perimeter so that you actually have a clean space in the crawl, and it can be used for storage and whatever you might want to use it for. But it's a big difference between going into a crawl space that's dirty, musty, versus stepping into a crawl space that actually is white and clean on the inside.
Wow. And
doesn't have any poor indoor air quality or contaminants.
Well, now remember that Dial 1 Hour provides installation and services for heating, cooling, ventilation, plumbing, and related comfort systems. So if you have one of those issues in your home, contact Dial 1 Hour at 1-800-DIAL-111, or you can visit them online at dial1.com. Thank you so much for having us today, Ben.
You're welcome.
To view this segment again, log on to theindychannel.com and click on It's Your Business. I'm Johnette Cruz, and we'll see you next time.